Men, pay attention for the next few minutes, because after the age of 30, your body starts giving warning signs that erectile dysfunction may be coming. The problem is, most men ignore these signs until it becomes a real, embarrassing struggle. Today, I'm revealing the 5 early signs of ED that you should never ignore, backed by science, not myths. Sign number 1. Morning wood is getting weaker or disappearing. For healthy men, morning erections are completely normal. They show that your blood flow, your nerves, and your hormones all are working fine. But if you notice any of these changes, your morning erections are weaker, they don't last as long, or they're gone completely, then this is the earliest red flag. Why? Because your body creates morning wood without any sexual thoughts. If it's missing, your blood vessels might be tightening, your testosterone may be dropping, or circulation is weakening. Men over 30 often blame it on stress or being tired, but medically, it's one of the first symptoms of developing ED. Sign number 2. Erections take longer or are not fully hard. You still get an erection, but it's not the same as a few years ago. Maybe it takes longer to start. Maybe it's softer. Maybe you don't feel that strong, firm hardness you once had. This is a sign that the blood flow is no longer reaching full pressure. But the dangerous part is, most men convince themselves it's just a one-time thing. In reality, it means the arteries to the penis are slowly losing flexibility. This usually happens from lack of exercise, high sugar, high cholesterol, smoking or vaping, high blood pressure. If you fix the lifestyle factor early, you can reverse this stage completely. Sign number 3. Low sex drive, low libido. This one surprises men because they think ED is only about erections, but libido, your desire to have sex, is directly connected to your testosterone levels. After 30, testosterone starts dropping naturally. But if your drive suddenly falls, no interest, no excitement, no sexual thoughts, feeling tired during intimacy, then this is not normal aging. Low libido usually appears months before ED actually begins. Men who ignore the stage often reach full ED later without realizing it. Sign number 4. Losing erection midway. This is one of the most embarrassing but most common early signs. You get an erection, but it doesn't stay. This can happen due to poor blood circulation, high stress, being overweight, diabetes, nerve sensitivity issues, or performance anxiety. Most men think, maybe I wasn't in the mood, maybe it's the moment. But consistently losing your erection halfway is a clear indicator of the early ED process. Sign number 5. Mental stress, anxiety, or feeling disconnected. Men underestimate how powerful the mind is when it comes to sexual performance. If your mind is stressed, anxious, or depressed, your body switches into survival mode, not pleasure mode. Signs include overthinking during intimacy, feeling nervous, fear of failure, lack of focus, not feeling mentally connected. Nearly 30% of younger ED cases in the USA come from mental factors alone. Your mind and body must work together for a strong erection. If the connection breaks, ED begins. Bonus: hidden warning signs most men miss. You may also notice weight gain around the stomach, poor sleep, low energy, high blood pressure, high blood sugar. All of these silently affect your erections. So what should you do if you notice these signs? Now here's the good news: early ED is not permanent. You can reverse it if you act early. Tips that medically help: exercise 30-40 minutes a day, reduce sugar and processed foods, fix sleep schedule, manage stress, check testosterone levels, quit smoking or vaping, improve circulation with cardio, limit alcohol, and if symptoms continue for more than 3 months, get checked by a doctor. ED is treatable when caught early. Men's health matters, but most men stay silent. If you found even one sign here, don't ignore it. Start fixing it now, before it becomes a bigger problem. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself, share it. You might help another man who's silently struggling. If you learned something new today, you're not alone. Many men struggle silently. Speak up, get help. If you want, I can also create reply comments for viewers or pin comment text, and subscribe for more men's health content. Thanks for watching.